Hi guys, in this video I wanna show you how I'm using paid AI models completely for free. I'll be posting the full source code on my Telegram channel, so you can check it out there. This is the final script we'll have by the end of the video. As you can see, I can choose the model. There are a lot of models. Here you can write your text. First of all, I need to get the email address from temp mail and create the account in parrot.com. Then you wanna create a DevTools by pressing F12. Then you need to go application, local storage, and par.com. And you need to copy the AUF token. And then just paste it in your section AUF token in my script. So we can check it again. And all works. It's great.